Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix FIFA 23 lag problem. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type graphic settings and then enable the first option here and then go and type background apps, and after that make sure to turn off all those applications. And now right click on your desktop, click in video control panel, now click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply and then close it. And now the last thing you need to do is to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, open Task Manager and close applications that you don't need. Applications like Google Chrome and Task, all the applications that you don't need here, close it. And that's it, then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.